Hello, welcome to today's tutorial about our new website that we're launching. We're very excited. My name is Carly. I'm the marketing representative for Griffin Underwriting. I also have with me Leticia, who's our agency coordinator. Together, we're going to walk you through some of the features and the process we need to have our agents register. You'll notice on the homepage there is an agent login tab. I'm going to have Leticia walk through that process with you now.
So when you get to our page, you can either click on this orange button here or up here at the top. Once you click here, you will notice that if you are a current agent with us and already have a login for our previous website, you will need to re-register, and we're doing that for security purposes. This shouldn't take you very long. It's very quick and easy. You'll click here, and similar to what our old website had, you'll put your agency code, your brand new password. Please note the new requirements. You'll put your name and your email and accept the terms and register. Very simple and easy. If you don't know what your agency code is for some reason, here are a couple ways of finding it.
We do want to stress that the reason we're having all of our existing agents re-register is for security purposes. We want to keep your information safe and protected. So if you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out to us or give us a call. So once you're logged in, page is going to look very similar. A couple of features that I want to go over. You'll notice that a lot of our information is going to be in multiple places. It just depends on your preference on where you want to click. So you'll notice there's a products tab up at the top. There's also a products tile in the body of the email. It takes you to the exact same platform. So when we click on here, it's going to list all of our products that we have to offer. Very snazzy. You'll notice, let's start with personal umbrella, and each page looks very similar to this. It's going to give you some product features, eligible risks, some highlights of the policy, etc. If this particular product has the ability to be quoted either online or over the phone, you're going to see this new quote tab or tile off to the right. If it's not there, that means we need paper applications. You'll also notice that all of the applications that are typically needed to quote this product are going to be listed, including some supplemental forms. So you don't have to go back and forth like our old website did. Now, I should note that not all applications that could be needed will always be listed here. It's really specific to each carrier as to what's required, but we've tried to make this as comprehensive as possible. Go back to the products page. If we scroll down, here's an example of what the page looks like for a product that we do not have the capability to quote online or over the phone. You'll notice there's no tile or tab to click quote online. But again, we have the applications. You can always hit that go back to products. It'll take you back to the product page. You can also, if you're looking for a specific product, you can type it into the search bar. And as you start typing, it's going to pull up all of the options associated with the word you're typing in. So again, really handy. This is a hyperlink that will always take you back to our homepage. Some other features that you'll see, pay online. What's nice is you do not have to be logged in to make a payment online or report a claim. Your customers can actually do both of those. You do have to be logged in for everything else. So as an agent, you have to log in. Things like request a certificate, request an endorsement, etc. And Leticia is going to walk you through some options here. But everything that you need is either up here or it will be in the body of the page that you're on. With that, let's have you take a look at what it looks like as a logged in agent.
Yeah, so after you go ahead and log in and create your new account, you will be going into our brand new dashboard. We're calling this the agent portal. The first thing you're going to see as we come over here is a beautiful page with a policy list for your agency. Every individual under this agency code will see this dashboard. It is an opt-out opportunity if you do not want to see it. However, everyone will be able to. On each account, you'll be able to access different services for that specific policy. You can also go over here, and there are similar ways of doing that, as you can see, paying online, requesting a claim, and requesting certificates, endorsements, or ordering loss runs. However, we do recommend that if you do go ahead and utilize this, you will have more information filling in to the form. You'll see that policy number and name does fill in very nicely and efficiently for you when you're servicing that policy. To get back to that previous screen, you can just hit dashboard, and that's where you'll end up.
So I'll make a quick note just for clarification. If you click on the tiles on the right-hand side and pick a feature, it is specific to that policy line item. If you choose the tiles that are on the left, you're gonna have to tell the system which policy you're making reference to. So there's that difference. I hope that's a clear distinction.
Correct. On the right-hand side, you do have access to the products page again. There is a specific product you really love to quote. You can go to view product, add it to your favorites, go back to your dashboard, and that product will pull in at the very top, so you don't have to go searching for it every time you're in our products page. So that's a really handy new feature if you're interested. Now over here in the dashboard as well, you can download your book of business now. You'll get a Excel spreadsheet to download and save on your computer if you'd like. This information is similar to the dashboard with a couple exceptions. You'll see your policy number, the name insured, submission, and dates. We do not show the account balance here. We just show premium excluding taxes and fees, just so you have a pure premium to see. And then we have the company that this policy is written through, as well as the status of the policy. If you do want to know the account balance, it would be listed here. Right now we don't have any, as these are test accounts, but this is live data. Any questions on accounting, if you're still confused on it, you can always reach out to our accounting department and we'll be happy to help you clarify. Please note that these are only active policies. There are no canceled policies, no expired policies, and no files that are in quoting phase at the moment. And then on the left-hand side, as you can see, there's different buttons for you to access services, as I said before. A couple different updates. We have a forms page for you. These are just various forms you can access. This is a table of contents that will bring you down to where you want to go. So if we want accords, it'll go to the bottom. You have a lot of different accords. You can just click on this and download it easily to your desktop. If there's any specific product you write a lot, that is a great way of doing it. Our different DSLs that are utilized for our non-admitted products. And then you have other things like agent of record change forms, cancel forms, loss statements. So feel free to peruse these forms. They are downloadable and accessible for you. And then we have the Manage Agency button. This is a really great tool when you have updates you need to make and you don't want to call in or email. This is all going to get to the right place for you, right where you need it. You can update your agency name, tax ID, or business name. You will have to upload a couple items that are required for us to do that. If you need to update a phone number or an address, feel free to put that in here. You do not have to fill out this whole form. It's only the change you need, you fill it in, and then you request that. This will go to the agency coordinator and it will be updated upon review. It is not an immediate change. Same with this personnel update. When you have various people in your agency that have created a login, you'll see a list of them here. Anyone that needs to be removed, you can put their name here. If you have a preferred replacement like yourself, feel free to put that here, and that again will be reviewed by the agency coordinator. You can download your book of business here as well, similar to your dashboard. You can download our agent of record change form here and upload it, or you can send it to info or fax it to us. And then if you have a book of business transfer, I am logged in as an Allstate agent, so this is the direction you will need to do in order to get information on doing that. For an independent agent, there is a download PDF that you can download and then send it in. And then lastly, if you want to update your policy delivery, we do have a form for you to do that. So there's a lot more you can do on here on your own, in your own time, and hopefully that is helpful to you.
Perfect, yeah. So we hope you're as excited as we are about this new website. I want to make note that There are more changes coming, more features that we're going to be adding as time goes on. But for now, we hope that this quick tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need help at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. That's why we're here. We want to say thank you again for your business. We appreciate working with everybody. And unless Leticia has anything else to add, we hope you have a wonderful day.
That's it.
All right. Thank you, everybody.